How are we doing, everybody? My name's Matthew, the owner of, what do we call this? SaaS Accelerator. Who am I? Well, let me go ahead and show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of the apps that I recently built and launched within 3 months, and why you should even be watching and stay in this course. Now, this video I'm doing kind of on a whim, just to prove to you guys and understand how easy it is to build products. It is not as hard as people make it seem. Let's see, how much did we make last month on this app? So we made $12,000 last month in December. So hope that gives me some credibility into what I know and what I can tell you guys and why you should listen. But in this short video, I am at one of my smoke shops that I run as a side hustle, and I'm doing inventory right now. I just thought it would be perfect if I could just show you how easy it is to build a website, not even think about it. So let's say I want to build a website. Well, let me show you the one I built last week for $4,000 for this insurance firm. And why it's $4,000? Well, it's because one, it's a high converting funnel, and two, it's a dashboard. So I also built a dashboard to go along with it. Financial. Is it here? No. I'll show you guys later. Anyways, so let's say you want to build a website, right? Sorry if I'm getting off track. I could just put this here, go to version 0 and just be like, build me a website like this one. Very broad. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right now until it's done loading, and when it's done, it's going to say preview streaming. Alright, so I'm back, and you can see here that it actually went ahead and built a website pretty close to what we have. And no, I didn't just copy paste anything. It literally, I gave it a prompt and it was like, build me this website. Boom. That's crazy, right? And if you have any errors, you can just, let's see what it looks like. Wow. In one prompt, you could get something that's nice looking and that's usable. And so if you wanted to, and in my use case, to make this tutorial helpful for myself, I'm actually going to use it for a real estate agent. So I'm going to go ahead and say a different prompt. Modify this website so that it's for a real estate agent, where he's trying to get people to join his team. Now I'm just going to let this load. I'm going to pause it here and I'm going to come back. Alright, so I'm back, and you can see here that it edited according to our prompt. Launch your career in luxury real estate. Now, cool, let me see. Let's see what it looks like actually on its own website. So here usually you would have your VSL, or your call to action is right here. And all right, back to the video. All right, cool. We have a cool looking website. Let's try to add to code base. Keep this under, I don't know, 6 minutes, should we say? We're going to use this application called Cursor. And what an AI code editor is pretty much like a notebook for your writing, right? You could have different notebooks or whatever. Now, consider this like your AI notebook. And so you can out the back just use prompting to construct your code applications. And that's pretty much what these softwares like version 0 are. They're just wrappers on top of programming interfaces that utilize AI. So I'm gonna go here. Let me make a new website actually. Real estate website. Open a folder. Let's go to where I kept it. Real estate. Alright, so now we got the ball rolling, and we're going to use something called Composer, and within Cursor we're going to say using this component, implement this website and deploy Next.js. And we're just going to wait. Oh, got to run this command. So I'm just going to go through and pretty much just say yes to this. Do you like the customers? Whatever, I don't know. You know, I would pause the video here and just kind of let it run, but I don't want to miss any things that you guys might see. You know, I would like you to watch this video and copy what I do. So I'm not really trying to pause anything. So just run these commands, you know, just listen to it. And then let's see, I apologize for that. So the perfect thing about the agent stuff is that it knows when it kind of messed up, right? So you're going to see here, you're with me, you're analyzing the errors that I'm facing. And this is pretty much what you do as somebody who's trying to dive and build products with AI and or no code. You know, I didn't touch anything, I haven't done any sort of coding. What I've done so far is just done prompts. I have an idea, and we're trying to deploy that idea. We're trying to let's see. You know, I probably even messed it up with the setup here whenever I just click yes. Probably shouldn't have done that. That's okay. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and just pause it here actually and let it run its course. Alright, sorry if you hear the crazy wind going on, just the AC. But we can see here that it actually deployed some website, and now we get an error. That's okay. So we're just gonna go back, rinse and repeat. Just put this and then see what happens next. You know, let's see if it actually ran this time. So I don't think I turned the server off. Oh, I did. Alright, they got this error. Same thing over and over. Alright, we're back, boys. Let me turn the camera on. So I went ahead and made a pretty crucial error here. What the heck? Why is it showing? I'm just gonna leave this off for now. Anyways, so all you even really needed to do to just get this UI, just go here, run the command, and then compile it, and then do npm run dev. That's all you really needed to do. Just let me see. Let me write it here for you guys. One, run that command right here. Just paste it in the terminal, and then two, do npm run dev, and then your site should just pop up normally here. And yeah, so we can see here that it kind of needs some improvement, such as the profile picture, and we don't have any image here, which is okay because this is just a short video, and that's all. If you guys found this video to be helpful at all, or if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here. I'm happy you've joined this course. That's what I'm here for. The mentorship, give you any advice, any information you need from a software development perspective. Thank you.